her goal is not in her.
Katakana. In today's lesson, all of the basic katakana, base vowels K, S, T, N, H, M, Y, R, and W columns. A. For example, ice cream, aisukuriimu, aisukuriimu. E. For example, earring, iyaringu, iyaringu. U. For example, ukulele, ukulele, ukulele. E. For example, apron, epuron, epuron. O. For example, motorbike, otobai, otobai. Ka. For example, camera, kamera, kamera. Ki. For example, fox, kitsune, kitsune. Ku. For example, Christmas, kurisumasu, kurisumasu. Ke. For example, cake, keiki, keiki. Ko. For example, koala, koara, koara. Sa. For example, soccer, soccer, soccer. She. For example, seesaw, seesaw, seesaw. Su. For example, spoon, spoon, spoon. Se. For example, sweater,セーター、セーター。So. For example, sofa, sofa, sofa. Ta. For example, taxi, taxi, taxi. Chi. chi. For example, chicken, chicken, chicken. Tsu, tsu. For example, tour, tour, tour. Te, te. For example, table, teeburu, teeburu. To, to. For example, tomato, tomato, tomato. Na, na. For example, knife, naifu, naifu. Ni, ni. For example, news, news, news. Nu, nu. For example, noodle, nuudoru, nuudoru. Ne, ne. For example, necktie, nekutai, nekutai. No, no. For example, notebook, noto, noto. Ha, ha. For example, hamburger, hanbaagaa, hanbaagaa. He, he. For example, heater, heater, heater. Fu, fu. For example, football, football, football. He, he. For example, helicopter, helicopter, helicopter. Ho, ho. For example, hotcakes, hot cake, hot cake. Ma, ma. For example, scarf, muffler, muffler. Me, me. For example, missile, missile, missile. Mu, mu. For example, Mumbai, Mumbai, Mumbai. Me, me. For example, melon, melon, melon. Mo, mo. For example, monorail, monorail, monorail. Ya, ya. For example, Yahoo, Yahoo, Yahoo. You. For example, YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. Yo. For example, yacht, yotto, yotto. Ra. For example, ramen, ramen, ramen. Ri. For example, wristband, wristbando, wristbando. Ru. For example, ruby, ruby, ruby. Re. For example, lettuce, lettuce, lettuce. Ro. For example, robot, robotto, robotto. Wa. For example, wine, wine, wine. War is not used unless whole sentences are written with katakana, in which case it might replace hiragana war. No word begins with n, instead it is used in the middle and end of words. For example, bread, pun.